Sally has one apple. Mary has some apples. John has a pen. Matthew doesn't have pens. She has money. She doesn't have money. He has time. He doesn't have time. As you can see, today we're going to focus on analyzing countable and uncountable nouns. Welcome to lesson 19.
Your Language Studio presents Let's Learn English with Teacher Sari.
Hello! Welcome to your Language Studio. I am Teacher Sari, and in these videos I am going to help you learn English from the basics. Before we begin, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel and to hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the material that we upload weekly. Also, I want to remind you to download the worksheet that you have in the description below. Remember to work on it while you watch this lesson. Let's start! In English, nouns are divided in two groups, countable and uncountable. Let's analyze these groups separately. Countable nouns. We can count these nouns. They can take a singular or a plural form. Also, we can use the articles a or an, the quantifiers some, any, many, or a number before them. A tree, some trees. An egg, 3 eggs. Countable nouns can also take a singular or a plural form of the verbs. This book is boring. These books are interesting. Uncountable nouns. These are the ones we can't count. They only take one form, not plural. Also, we can't use the articles a, an, or a number before them, but we can use the quantifiers some or much. Butter, some money, some time. We use the singular form of the verbs with uncountable nouns. Sugar is sweet. Time is money. Now let's look at some examples of countable and uncountable nouns. Listen.
Burger, burgers. Orange, oranges. Cookie, cookies. Grape, grapes. Apple, apples. Banana, bananas. Cat, cats. Dog, dogs. Chair, chairs. Cars. Phone, phones. Spoon, spoons. Meat, cheese. Rice, coffee. Bread, ketchup. Water, jam. Time, wood. Soap, money.
Now practice using countable and uncountable nouns correctly. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, Thank you for your comments and thank you for watching. I am Teacher Sari and I will see you in our next lesson. Bye!